Adjustable. Includes 2 adjustable dividers to create custom size compartments. Wheels. Soft spinning wheels roll items from the back of the fridge for an easy find. Handles. Caddy is made to carry around with sturdy handles. Standard fit. An extra drawer designed to fit standard refrigerators. Measures 15.0 long, 6.0 wide and 2.3 tall. Quick setup. Just load items and roll out, no assembly required. RollOut Fridge Caddy makes your refrigerator a more peaceful place. Dividers can be adjusted to keep items in good order. Smooth wheels and sturdy handles help you pull food forward without disturbing the rest. A little fridge organization rolls a long way, oh happy day. Top reviews from the United States. Wish I had purchased these RollOut caddies earlier. These rollouts are very sturdy and are a great value, especially when it keeps me from having to get on my knees to reach lower shelf items that have been pushed to the back. Works great on an older refrigerator that is not ergonomically designed, and I am sure that it will be very helpful on newer models. Very handy for those with vision impairment that have trouble navigating and searching for commonly used items. Everything in one place, thumbs up. These rollouts would also be great for cabinet items such as spices. I would definitely purchase again.